Hi my friends, it's Ian here at Buildabizonline. I've just made a quick video just to let you know I've altered one or two things, okay, within the members area at the autoresponder. Now if I click on RoboForm, I always use this, and then go to this link, my Buildabiz Babu responder, that'll take me to the login page, fill that in automatically. Now you will see login ads now when you come into here, and it'll last for 10 seconds. If you want to advertise, just click there. If you want to open this in a new window, just click there. So we're now in the members area at the autoresponder. So you will see, so that you can see more of this center. What I've done is just moved the menu to the left hand side. You can always close that down if it's in your way. Okay, so right at the top, the members home, so it'll always bring you back to the back office, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then your responder campaigns, everything to do with your responders now is in yellow, as it was up here. Okay, so there is a list of this test accounts campaigns just there. Okay, so that's good, and you can add or edit your messages there. Now there's a tool in here that I've added, and it's an AI tool that can help you compose emails for any of your campaigns. So click on there and you will see what I mean. Okay, now then, your campaign subscribers will be on that link, and all you've got to do is click on any of your campaigns to reveal your subscribers. I'm not going to do that here because you'll see people's details. If you want to send a broadcast, click on there, choose the one that you want to send a broadcast to, and then that will happen. Now what I'm going to do as well is ask the programmer. Rowit is our programmer, and ask him if it's at all possible if we can send a message to everybody in all of our campaigns. Now, what you wouldn't be able to do, you could send something like, oh, Happy New Year or Happy Christmas or something like that, something generic. But you see, you couldn't send something about, well, I've got a camping, I've got a tacamping.com. Okay, so there's a form on there. So I couldn't send these people because they were interested in camping. They're not interested in secret to lead building. There may be, but technically, if you've signed somebody up for a camping site, you shouldn't be sending them to anything like this. Now, you could choose certain ones that are affiliate marketing programs, and what I'll try and get him to do sometime is put a tick box on it so that we can send a broadcast to all those that we tick. Okay, I'll try and do that. It's just an idea that Martin had before he passed. Okay, so I want to honour that for him. May be useful for your members. Now, your membership profile is there, and your admin shared campaigns are just here, and there's a WYSIWYG editor there, and now you will log out there. But as I say, if you're working on something, you can always put that out of the way. This is one of the menus that Martin put together. Okay, and then also you've got your campaign training at the top, very basic, and then you've got your advanced tools. These will take you back to Buildabizonline. Okay, so this is why we ask you to sign up with your identical login information as you have with Buildabizonline. Then it will seamlessly go from one to another. Okay, it will open up in a new tab, these, okay? And these are the advanced training. So I never get many questions because the advanced training is good, okay? So not only do we provide the tools, but we do provide the training to use those tools as well. And incidentally, when you do log out, you click on there and it'll say, thanks for being a fantastic member. Keep up the good work. These, it says below, is a list of almost done for your campaigns. So you can log back in and you can use these if you want to promote Buildabizonline, just using the ID and the passcode. You can copy them. Okay, follow the videos on the page if you're doing that. On your share campaign page. Okay, the same with that, affiliate marketing, list building. I built a nice little list with this in my main account. And there's also fat list myths, right? Okay, so this is Ian saying thanks very much for listening. Enjoy your membership here at Buildabizonline. If you do get stuck, which is not very often people get stuck, please email me. You can click on here. If I am logged in to the live text chat, I can deal with it there and then. But if I'm not, because I'm busy doing something else, then click on there and just leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for listening and bye for now.